Iran, Turkey emphasize military cooperation, will develop new attack drone advanced. Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Islamic Republic of Iran emphasized the necessity of continual cooperation between the Iranian and Turkish armed forces. Major General Mohammad Bagheri congratulated on Thursday General Yar Guler on his appointment as the Minister of National Defense of Turkey and emphasized the necessity of continuing cooperation between Iran and Turkey armed forces. Calling Iran and Turkey two strategic neighbors with joint borders, Major General Bagheri stated that the existence of joint borders between Iran and Turkey necessitates the continuation of cooperation between the two countries. The two senior military officials emphasized conducting bilateral meetings in different areas, including knowledge transfer in training centers and the implementation of mutual military exercises. Emphasizing the development of military cooperation between the two countries, General Yar Guler noted that Turkish people appreciate Iran's assistance in the recent earthquake that happened in Turkey. Will Iran and Turkey develop new attack drone advanced? Now Turkey's Baykar to build new highly autonomous combat drone. Baykar has come to prominence internationally in recent years because of the company's light drone TB2 used in Ukraine. Turkish defense firm Baykar aims to begin production of its new unmanned combat aerial vehicle next year, which is already attracting international interest, its chairman Selçuk Bayraktar said. Named Kızılelma, the drone expands the company's product range from slow ground attack drones to fast and agile autonomous ones that work alongside fighter jets. It is designed to be a highly autonomous, under human purview of course, air-to-air combat vehicle, said Bayraktar, who led the design of the 15-meter-long, 49-feet jet-powered weapon. In a sense, the Kızılelma expresses a whole new future for combat aviation. Baykar has come to prominence internationally in recent years because of the company's light drone TB2, which has been used in Ukraine, Azerbaijan, and North Africa and has been a huge export success, catapulting the firm to becoming one of the largest Turkish defense exporters. Baykar plans to begin production in small quantities next year. Kızılelma made its first flight in December and began formation flight tests with Baykar's other drones this month. Iran also has Shahed 136 or Jiran 2 in Russian service. The munition is designed to attack ground targets from a distance, fired in multiples from a launch rack, in batches of 5 upwards, to overwhelm air defenses by consuming their resources during the attack. Now Iran modified Shahed 136 Kamikaze drones for Russia. Drone swarms are a new technology whereby multiple drones are used to strike targets. The drone was unveiled in 2021 and is now used by the Russian army. The Shahed 136 is available in 3 models in the Iranian armed forces, including anti-personnel and armored vehicle, anti-fortification, and radar-seeker versions. It can be launched in salvo mode from a truck and used as a swarm drone. With this method, several drones are launched at the same time and fly in formation controlled from the same station, which can be programmed using an algorithm to carry out various tasks including surveillance or attacks.